Chapter 4, number 11. All right, we have a situation based on a graph. To sell at a particular farmer's market here for years, Rudy cost, his graph is with this equation, y equals to 3x plus 10. It is in red. And Beth cost is a graph with the equation y equals 3x plus 50. Who has the largest total fee at the 5th hour? So if we want to take a look at the 5th hour, we want to take a look right here at the 5th hour here. Notice that the red is on top, okay? So we would say that Rudy has the largest total fee by the 5th hour. And the reason why is because looking at the graph, it's y value when x is 5, its y value is about what 110 maybe, yeah, 110 when so we can say y is equal to 110 when x is equal to 5. Okay, that's why. Okay. And here is what I'm referring to here at the point here. Notice this is around x is 5 comma 110 about. Next, what does the 0.3 comma 60 represent in the context of the problem? It represents at 3 hours there is a total fee of $60. That's what it means, and I'm just looking at the units because x here on the graph, we see that the x here is time, and then the y here is your total fee. Okay, and 360, it is referred to right here for Beth. At 3 hours, there's a total fee, not fed, of 60, and this is the this is how much Beth is paying. Okay, because it's also her graph, so I want to mention that as well. What sort of relationship do these two equations have? So you should just take a look at the equation. Here the slope is 3, the slope is 3, so we can say that both equations have the same slope. Therefore, the equations are parallel to each other. Okay, that is the relationship that they have. They are parallel to each other. Okay, now you want to explain if Beth total cost will be higher than Rudy, okay, or Ruby. All right, so here we will look at this and see that if we take a look at the graph, okay, we can say that both Beth and Ruby have the same slope. They pay the same amount each month, each hour. Okay. However, notice that Ruby has a higher y-intercept slash starting value. So since Ruby has a higher starting value and both have the same slope, they will never meet or touch. They will increase at the same rate. Therefore, we would say that Ruby will always be higher. Okay, and that is the conclusion that we have. All right, so there you go.